Rizzle fam dizzle. If you guys didn't check out my install on these lights, definitely check it out. It's raining outside, so I have half the car inside because I do have a mess back here from the Civic. But I'm going to clean the garage tomorrow. But yeah, guys, check this out. So we have this. You probably already seen it because I did turn the camera over a little. I got this duckbill right here, paint matched and everything. Fire. And we're going to install it. So pretty much all we got to do is take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Literally there's 2 down here, 1 up there, 2, 1, and then 2 extra ones up there, and then 2 down there. Rizzle my nizzles. So we got that out. Easy as pie. I put all of them to the side. And now we're going to have to get this little annoying thing that's not even nice. I don't know why they added that. I think it would have looked better without that. But I know we have a screw all the way in there, which you're going to need a bunch of extensions to get that. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, holy crap, 5, and then 6. So obviously these are kind of weird. So once you pluck these out, guys, you're gonna have to get something to hold it up, because you know the pins, they want to come back down, they want to suck back down. So you're gonna have to get something to like kind of hold it in here. But let me take those 2 screws out first, and then I'll get back to you guys real quick. So I have the 8mm with 2 extensions, one little small one, then a long one, full size. Those aren't on really tight, so you could literally pull them off. But I'm trying to see if there's an extra clip on the corner. I hope not, because that's gonna, yeah, there is. There's also another clip right in there. Can't really see, but that's gonna be fun. We'll see what we do. But yeah, I already have this one out. I literally put my hand through here and then one through here. You could unplug this, but I got those aftermarket lights, so it doesn't really tie up as high as the OEM you know, lights do. So I could just finagle these around and get in there. But yeah, this is gonna be fun. So guys, I got it off, but the thing is, it's kind of a 2-man job. I mean, I kind of did it myself, but I did need a light because my light's over there. So it's off. This is all filthy. I'm gonna just go ahead and get all this off with Glue Gun, and then I already mocked up the wing. It looks badass. But yeah, so pretty much like I said, I showed you guys inside already. You do want to leave these here just in case. I am gonna 3M obviously, but you don't want no water to get in your trunk. So yeah. All right guys, so I got this pretty much as best as I can. I am gonna go over it again because I decided to take off the little rubber pieces. I'm just gonna 3M every hole, because if you guys think about it, you use 3M for your visors and it never leaks through the window. So I'm assuming it works the same for here, but we'll see. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that real quick, and then wifey's over here taking off the red stuff. And yeah, that duckbill's gonna look fire, guys. All right guys, that's pretty much it. 3M tape that they supply is ridiculously strong, because we screwed up a little bit. My side was a little over the line, and when we lifted that up, let's just say it was like, had to be like a power lift. But yeah, everything's good. I did self tap it, so it is self tapped. I'll show you guys where I did. Just, it's not a new hole in the trunk. I literally just self tapped one of the old holes right there. I wanted to do another one, but literally that whole thing sealed it in, plus the tape. I mean, it's not going anywhere. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All this little red shit you see is the 3M that I put in there so no water can get in there, and that's pretty much it. Yep. Fire, guys. Alrighty, family. Next up, I'm gonna do a little POV in the car. Obviously, it's a little dusty. Keep in mind, I just got this. I don't know why it's carrying so much dust. Like, it's really bad with the dust. But it's all black interior, so it makes sense. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a little POV drive for you guys, and then hopefully everything goes swell and well, and you guys will be all set with the POV drive / review if you guys want to get these or not. But yeah, I'll be back. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys are no drill. Peace.